Good morning students, welcome to Be Ready to Learn with Gunjan Garg. Children, today we will discuss a very important form of writing, that is article writing. Before starting this article writing, we should know why we write the article and what is the meaning of article. Children, an article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing, especially meant for newspaper and magazines. It usually describes or discusses something that is author's personal opinion. Author means we are, if we are the writer of this article, then means we are the author, or feelings of a research. But children, in your class, an article form the examination point of view, and it is a piece of prose writing that we have to write in about 100 or 120 words on the given topic. Children, now we will discuss this topic. Now the topic is write a short article in about 150 words for your school magazine on the importance of staying fit and healthy. Means you have to write an article for the school magazine and your topic is importance of staying fit and healthy. In your article you should say, what you say in your article, these are the important points. Why it is important for school children to stay fit and healthy. Second point is what different things and activities adversely affect their health and fitness. What they need to do to stay fit and healthy. It is the topic for your article writing. Children, before starting an article, it is important to know how can we write a good article. For writing an article, firstly we have to write title. Title is very important in an article. Children, title is the heading of the article and it says what the article is about. Means article किस बारे में है. It can be a word, a phrase or even a short sentence. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. एक word भी हो सकता है, एक sentence भी हो सकता है और एक phrase भी हो सकता है. But it should be very clear. And after writing the title, it is important to write the writer name. Writer name means if you are writing this letter, so you have to write your name. But if in the topic you have given that you are writing, your name is Seema and you are writing this letter, then you have to write Seema in place of your name. So understand? So children, it is our topic, importance of staying fit and healthy. And who is the writer? By Arnav Seth. It is important to write the writer's name. Now we will talk about the paragraphs. Children, we can say it is the body of an article. The body is the article. It may consist of several paragraphs and it is usually structured in 3 parts. First part is for introduction, second part is for development of ideas, and third part is for conclusion. Each paragraph deals with only one major idea and sentences in a paragraph and are very well contented to one another. This ensures that there is a certain flow and direction of ideas within a paragraph and all through the article. Children, first paragraph should be introductory paragraph. What topic we are discussing in this article, we have to write in first paragraph. Now the first paragraph is long hours of study at school, homework, TV and video games. All these take a heavy toll on children's health. They are often short on sleep, feel tired and complain of watery eyes, headache and general fatigue and weakness. It is the introductory paragraph. Then children, second paragraph is for the development of ideas. Now the second paragraph is, if you have any of these symptoms, you need to seriously review your daily routine, diet and fitness plan. First and foremost, you should review the time you spent on school hours, sleep, self-study, TV and video games. You need to strike a balance here and carve out some time for relaxation and exercise. It means तुम्हें थोड़ा time relaxation और exercise के लिए निकालना चाहिए. Walking, swimming, jogging, skipping, dancing and yoga are a great way to relax and stay healthy. both physically and emotionally. And now third paragraph. Third paragraph is for advisory or conclusion. The second most important thing is to take care of your diet. Processed, fried or fast food include fresh and leafy vegetables, natural juices, salads and fruit in your diet. Drink plenty of clean drinking water. Traditionally, drinks like छाछ or buttermilk and fresh lime are good for health, and so are sherbets made at home. And the last is, remember, if you are healthy, the nation will be healthy. Children, in this way you can write an article. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.